LeapFrog presents Disney's Doc McStuffins, the new girl. Join Doc McStuffins and friends as they help a Japanese action figure named Kiko. Along the way, flex your reading skills and learn new words.
Reflexes are how your muscles move when they're working right.
Learn about Kiko's Japanese culture.
Arigato gozaimasu! That's thank you in Japanese.
Use the Big Book of Boo-Boos to discover how muscles need to stretch.
Muscles need to stretch, like this rubber band. Stretch up and stretch down. See, it's fun!
Then play a fun game that helps develop healthy habits.
To keep from spreading germs to your friends, should you wash your hands, play jump rope, or have a tickle fest? You got it!
Disney's Doc McStuffins, the New Girl interactive book from the Read on Your Own series, is one of the many books, writing activities, and more in the LeapReader library.